keep going back and forth on if we should do this one by just plugging and chugging these answers in, or if we should solve it out. But since it's a math channel, I'm just going to show you what it looks like to solve it all the way out. So first thing we're going to do is expand these x minus 7 squared. So we do, essentially we're doing x minus 7 times x minus 7. So x times x is going to give me x squared, x times negative 7 is negative 7x plus another negative 7x for negative 14x. Then we got negative 7 times negative 7, which is a positive 49. We still have that minus 4. Then we're looking over here, again, x times the x is x squared, 1x, and then we're going to do another one for a second x, so that's plus 2x's, and then 1 times 1 is just going to be 1. Now our goal is to get all of these so we just have an x by itself. Something that's nice here is when we subtract this to the other side, it's going to be x squared minus x squared, which means those are just going to cancel out, all right? I'm going to get all my x's over here, so I'm going to add 14x to both sides, and that's going to end up giving me a total of 16x over here. Well, they cancel over here. 49 minus 4 is going to give me 45, but then minus this 1 when I move to the other side is actually going to give me 44. Now, if you didn't know, 16 times 2 is going to give me 32. So if I'm looking at 2.5 here, 4 is going to be way too high, so these are out. But if I'm looking at either 2.5 or 2 3/4, it's one of those two answers here. 16 times 2 is 32. Half of 16 is 8. If I add another 8 to this, it would put me up to 40, which is still not high enough, so that means A is out, which means our final answer is B.